Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in this 3-button flip key fob that's been used by Ford from around the 2015 model year up until the 2020 model year, give or take. It may be a few more years after that. Let's go ahead and get into this. First, we're going to flip the key out, and once that's done, you'll notice that there's an opening that's been exposed. You can then take a small pocket screwdriver of some sort, or maybe a pick, place it into that opening, and pry the shell off. Once the shell's been removed, then your battery's exposed. You can then take your pick or your pocket screwdriver and pry the battery out of the housing. Now, this particular battery here that you're going to be replacing is a CR2032. Take your new battery, place it into the housing with the positive side up, press down, and secure the battery. Place the shell back on the key fob and press together, securing the shell to the key fob. And that's pretty much it, guys. You want to make sure that your key fob works at this point. Now also, guys, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things you need to clarify. That's where I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. Thanks again, guys. Like and subscribe.